Here's how to go live on TikTok on MacBook without Stream Key. So I will show you on how are you going to do it on your MacBook. So on your MacBook, go to Google or Safari and search for Streamlabs. After for searching for Streamlabs, you have to click on the first page that will appear. And then you will see there that Streamlabs are the ones who use without the Stream Key. So what you need to do is go to multi-stream and then click on the Explore options. After clicking on the Explore options, click on the Join Ultra. And then you will see there that there are different login platforms. So what you need to do is click on Login with TikTok and then go ahead and use TikTok app. And then afterwards, automatically, your Streamlab will suggest you or would like to access everything on your TikTok. And what you need to do is to click allow. And then afterwards, you can now go ahead and do live stream to your TikTok using your MacBook or any Apple device that you have without worrying for Stream Key.